not future not showing or not working on Instagram app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all you have to do is go to the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to the apps. Now here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do here is simple. Just scroll until you find Instagram, click on it and click here on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data. Now go back, open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iOS, go to the search bar, search for Instagram and click here on update. And that's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the very end. See you later, thank you very much.